Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance on the same page. The song is You. The artist is ISLEY. The choreography is Low Key and Jewel Brown. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Make sure you check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience Line Dance Weekend, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration opens June 1st, 20 or 23, and you can book your room right now. Please go to our website for detailed information at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And guys, if you're interested in a step-by-step instruction for this line dance on the same page, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, I will be doing a modification, okay? And I also teach it in the instruction. Here we go. There you go. Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. You can book your room right now, and registration opens June 1st, 2023. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com, and I'll post the instructional for this dance. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.